And as far as that people playing with football, with
Assault rifles.
assault rifles in this is cookie areas in Kangpokpi, people have been turning a blind eye. The first assault rifle in this crisis, which was captured on camera, was on the 3rd of May 2023 in Torbung area. Those were cookie militants or cookie armed groups, probably part of these groups who are under sue. And government of India has that images with them. But instead of that, a lot of people say arm looted from Imphal, and which is a fact. But you forget that the first looting happened in Churachandpur. The first assault rifle was seen in Torbung areas. And people were armed to the teeth on both sides later on. And instead has been a mute spectator to this hangama. And people were taking partisan position. Maitais. It's very unfortunate. History will record this. The so-called mainstream intellectuals, I have seen video recording, inciting people to fight. I have seen this in the name of some minority and so on, and then turning this picture as if it is belong to the Maitai and so on. They have played with these images. This propaganda machine that has worked, we have not cross-checked it. And this is happening now. You are supposed to assert your authority. And this is where if the central government, did Constitution say anything about this?